is my personal handle. On our top story, tensions flared today in Laikipia County during the burial of Mzee William Nderitu, father to Laikipia Senator John Nderitu Kinyua. The solemn event turned political as allies of President William Ruto and former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua tore into each other, pointing to a growing rift between the government and the Mount Kenya region. And as Jeff Kirui reports, Gachagua called on President Ruto to live up to the presidency and desist from hurling insults at critics of his administration.
Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, in a fiery speech, continued with his onslaught on his former boss, President William Ruto, in the Mount Kenya backyard of Laikipia County. The former DP criticized Ruto's leadership style, urging him to maintain the dignity of the presidency and refrain from hurling insults at critics of his administration.
I do understand as a leader that many Kenyans have deserted you. I appreciate that you have messed the economy and you are stuck. But that does not allow you to demean that office by abusing the people of Kenya.
Not once, not twice has President William Ruto lost his cool, tackling his critics head-on. This comes in the wake of several controversial remarks made by the president. During a recent tour of the northern region, Ruto branded opponents of the livestock vaccination program as fools. This was just weeks after he described critics of government projects as people possessed by evil spirits.
Na watu wengine wajinga wanatuambia ya kwamba tusichanje ng'ombe yetu ndio tukose soko ya kimataifa. Sio ni ukumbavu?
Wacha kutukana wa Kenya. Hata kama hawajasoma, hata kama hawana PhD, hata kama hawana degree, ndio walikuchagua hawa.
Tulipokupigia kura, Mheshimiwa Rais, huku tuitisha certificate ya form 4 au ya form 2 au ya degree hata ya PhD. Sasa umekalia kiti ndio umetambua kwamba kuna watu ambao hawana maana, hawajaenda airport, hawana PhD na ndipo unatutusi.
Juzi anajipiga kifua hata alisoma. Alisomea wapi? Nani aliona akisoma? Tumuliona juu ya magari kila siku. Alikuwa anasoma sangapi?
According to Gachagua, President William Ruto has resorted to profiling communities and Kenyans questioning his policies, invoking harsh words and unmeasured responses.
The people of Mount Kenya region, you call them tribalists. The people of Kambani, you demean them, call them Dego farmers. The people of Isiolo, you call them drug peddlers. Mr. President, be careful, because I have listened to the ground and I want to advise you today. Stop abusing the people of Kenya. Because if you continue, Mr. President, these Kenyans will abuse you.
The burial ceremony saw heated exchanges between lawmakers allied to Ruto and those supporting Gachagua, with accusations flying over ethnic divisive agendas.
Mimi, I am one of Kwendeni huko.
Please accept our apology as political leaders for the disrespect that has been shown to you and the Reverend Fathers and the altar by that member of parliament who is an ally of President William Ruto.
Ile marafiki ya William Ruto, Mungu anawaingiza mashaitani ndani ya kichwa. Wakija badala ya kutengeneza wanaharibu ile kidogo ilikuwa imebakia.
Jeff Kirui, KTN.